Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back again to my channel. In case you're new to these streets of YouTube and you've never come across this cafes, my name is Ann Kiki and I'm welcoming you to my channel. So please hit the subscribe button down below. Here, is it here or here? Somewhere, either his side or his side. Please hit that subscribe button and join this family. I'm looking for new friends here on YouTube. So in case you're now becoming a fan, comment down below and tell me you've joined the squad. So in this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys different ways to make 1,000 bob in a day. I know many people are doing these videos to scam and to lie to you, but I always love being real and telling you the real thing. The truth is that it's not easy to make 1,000 bob every day, but it is actually possible, you know. So in this video, I'm gonna be giving you legit legal ways to make money without being asked to give. I know you've seen those pyramid scams that you have to pay this to get this. My videos are not related to that, so I'm gonna be giving you legit ways to make 1,000 bob without paying any money whatsoever. Are you guys ready? First way is to open a thrift shop. I'm saying a thrift shop because these are affordable items. If I was to start a shop, I would actually start with a thrift shop because you're going to be selling goods that are affordable. And when it comes to thrift shops, you can sell anything whatsoever. You can sell utensils, clothes, and all those things. If you start selling clothes, you can start with baby clothes or ladies' clothes. Those are the ones that go easily. Now, the goal is to make 1,000 bob every day. So what are you going to do? The first thing is to take good photos of those clothes and post on your social media pages. If you cannot do that, then you have an option of opening a TikTok account that is specially for your shop. So don't use your TikTok account. Open one for that shop specifically. But anyway, if you have one account that you feel you can use, it's also okay. So in that account, go live. Usipost to video. Go live and start displaying those clothes. You can go live even for 12 hours on TikTok. No one is asking you. Sell those products live. You're going to be shipping to the people that are buying. One thing with TikTok that I always love is that it recommends your live to different people, to many people at the same time. So you can find your live for 3 hours. You might sell so much depending on how you have a convincing turn. If you don't want to go live, the next thing is to take now the pictures I'm telling you or videos and then put a voice that is going viral on TikTok as the background, so that every person akienda kuclick your voice anakutana na video yako. That's how to go viral on TikTok. That's how you can make 1,000 bob easily. If you've tried this before and it did not work, comment uniambie ninadanganya. Another way is to create a course online. So what happens with creating a course online, you don't get the money immediately. But once your course becomes noticeable, you will be making so much money in a day. I know you are wondering how to go about this. What you do, you just go and create an account for yourself. Give a profile that is detailed on what you are going to be doing, and then now in your course, and also give prices. Make sure you don't price yourself too low or too high. Then the next thing is to chill and wait. The day you get your first client, make sure you do it well such that they are going to review you to other people. Make sure ukishapata wa kwanza, you do the best you can so that they will review you and give you a good rating. And from that, you're going to be getting many clients. And with time, you can make up to 1,000 bob per day or even more. For online course, I have tried it before. I know it pays well and it is very flexible. You work within your time limit when you're free. So you can easily try this. The third way you can make money is to sell high-priced items. High-priced items are those items that cost so much money. So how do you go about this? Let's say you want to sell cars. Do you really have capital to start buying cars? Of course you don't. So what do? You start by becoming salesperson. You earn through commission, and you just liaise with one of the car dealers. I'm just using a car as one of the high priced items. You start dealing with car dealers. You go to a car dealer and work with them such that you will be getting a commission. So what you do is to advertise these cars on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp. You can even open an Instagram account or a TikTok account that will be advertising just that. The advantage of selling high priced items is you will be getting a high commission. So the higher the price of the car, the higher the commission you will get. So let's say in a month you've advertised two cars peke yake zikaweza kuuza. Let's say those cars are going for 2 million. Unaweza kuta kila gari umepewa 20k each, and that becomes 40,000 or something of that sort. Also, it doesn't have to be cars. You can also be making deals with companies and, you know, look for materials that you can advertise for people. For this one, mostly because you cannot have capital to start these businesses, you just go to those who have already established their business and work with them. You just become a salesperson, but make sure you're not exploited. You make sure you can bargain and see the worth of that job. If at all hauoni ikuwa worth it, usianze kufanya kazi ya usikii. Like, I always advocate for doing what you feel is worth, is paying you, you know, because unaweza kuwa unapea tu mtu profit lakini yeye hakuna kitu anakupea. So you have to make sure that at least you're getting something from it. The fourth and obvious way is to start a business. Always, it is very easy to start a business as long as you're willing to put in the work, you're willing to be patient, you're willing to be persistent, and to sacrifice yourself. Ask me, because I have tried a business before. In fact, YouTube is also some business for me. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of persistence. For me, when I started a YouTube channel, I had to stay for 2 years without receiving anything, and I used to post 3 videos every week. Can you imagine? I did not even have the energy like to stop posting. I had to post each and every week, each week. Sasa ndio nimeanza ulegevu, sijui kwa nini, but before then I used to post consistently, and you're getting nothing. So same case to a business. The first days you start a business, you don't get anything. Those are the days for growth, for gaining profit and all that. So it is a time to build up your capital, you know. So every time you get a little profit, you add to your business, ndio you grow. So the first maybe 1 or 2 years you might not get any profit. So if you want to start a business, you must be willing to sacrifice yourself, and also you must be willing to take risks, because right now the economy is not so good. The taxes have gone high, so making a profit in this economy is also not promising. So if you want to start a business, then you really need to have that heart of taking risks. I would not advocate for anyone who is not patient in this. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, money does not come easily. You will not get money at the comfort of your seat. It does. Haikujangi hivyo, like you have to put in the work. So I'm not here to lie to you that utapata pesa bila kuput in work, okay? Yeah, so that's it for today. I'm hoping that you guys have gained a little something. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video, and I'm hoping to see you guys in the next one. Until next time, bye bye.